What's going on, guys? Here's another follow-up video I wanted to make regarding the Milorganite application. I just made a video, actually not even 2 minutes ago, to explain the process of using Epsom salt. You can actually coincide that with using an application of Milorganite. Now, something you want to make sure you know, and I'll go over a video about it. There's a ton of videos about figuring out the square foot of your yard. It's just kind of a little bit of a process, not too bad, especially if your yard's very square to begin with and you don't have sidewalks or angles or corners or anything. But in this video, I'm going to explain how, typically a 36-pound bag of Milorganite should treat about 2,500 square feet. Now in Florida it says 6,000 square feet. That all kind of varies where you're at and what exactly your climate is. But to put simply, I bought one bag and it covers 2,500 square feet. My yard is actually 4,200 square feet, so I kind of went a little short on it. I didn't really measure everything. I was just more excited to get involved, and at this point I didn't really have a full understanding of what everything that goes into bringing a yard into season. So definitely, if you're going to get Milorganite, make sure you have a good idea of what the percentage of your square feet that you need to cover. And then on top of that, Milorganite itself is, if you get the older bags, it's organic. They push this thing that it's not, but it's just a slow release. It's going to help in the nitrogen process for your lawn. And then the magnesium sulfate, the Epsom salt, is going to help in the uptake of that nitrogen. So they kind of play hand in hand with each other. A few different ways you could spread it. I believe the most recommended way is using a spreader, but I typically just use a container. I save a lot of little things like old coffee cans, or I spray, a cheese ball container, and I just kind of add a little bit and walk around, spread it. Probably not the most efficient, but if you're gonna put it down in a heavy fashion, can't really do any harm. So just figure it out, I guess, the way that would work best for you. If you have a spreader, great. If not, then throwing it down by hand isn't a bad way. Just you want to come up with a certain method to cover your yard, so that way you're not over applying in a certain area and under applying in another. So but ultimately this will help your dirt and all the bacteria in the soil kind of wake up and be more productive, so that way you get a better better chemistry in your dirt. So that way, the healthier the dirt, the healthier the lawn, the better it looks in the summer. And picture on the bag kind of shows it. That's literally the results you can get if you do a full application. Unfortunately, I didn't do heavy enough, but I feel that between the Milorganite and the Epsom salt that I did add, it has definitely brought the lawn into a decent state. So more videos coming up along the way. I hope you guys stay tuned to this series. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.